Vice President Kembo Mohadi has reportedly informed President Emmerson Mnangagwa that he wishes to retire due to poor health. Sana vina mashoko atona kuti aiwa vipi Mohadi wakuda pachina vachiti vakuda kuretire over the health problems. Ndoba subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina pana pampindulo mudanyora chiti. According to Zim Life, Mohadi has been struggling with poor health for years, and he has recently found the demands of his job increasingly difficult to manage. At 75 years old, Mohadi has collapsed in public on at least 3 occasions. During his 18-day tenure as acting president in January, he made only one public appearance, addressing the press while seated. During his appearance, his voice frequently trailed off. A source was quoted as saying, "He is spending more time indisposed than at work. He has made the decision himself that he wants to retire, and the president has accepted his decision. It's now just a matter of timing, how and when they make it official." In almost all his public appearances over the past several months, Mohadi has been seen wearing a mask, mouth and nose covering. Mohadi served as Minister of Home Affairs and later as Minister of State Security before becoming Vice President in 2017. He resigned in March 2021 following the leak of audio recording that exposed a series of affairs, including with married women, one of whom was a state security agent. If Mohadi retires, it will create a vacancy in the presidium and intensify the intrigue surrounding ZANU-PF's leadership struggles. Reports suggested that President Mnangagwa intends to appoint the current Zimbabwe Defense Forces commander, General Valerio Sibanda, as vice president when Mohadi steps down. Thomas Waruda Panapa told Mohadi, John Konza Ayo Zvikuramba, passive magathering anega kukotsira kuti amire zvikunokonza ayo ari kukonewa. Masvika ari kuonekwa panguva ino zviri kuonekwa kunzi kuritaya kwake kwachakonzeresa chaos again nekuti ndiani anenge akunzi ava kureplace VP Mohadi. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko chimina comment section medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.